いい仕事を取り組んでメガラヤのために尽くしていきたいというふうに皆さんとお会いできて大変光栄です。
The farmers of Meghalaya, under the banner of Hill Farmers Union in collaboration with Mushroom Development Center Horticulture Department and the company Yards Corporation of Japan, will be imparting training on shiitake mushroom cultivation in Japan with latest technology. This was confirmed to the members of Hill Farmers Union during the meeting with the members of Company Yards Corporation of Japan in New Delhi.
Ngisung kemen ba wat lada ngim shmyo ban senran lang na ban yadon lang ya I etosan bat I taksan ang teh po shilong ki bawan nam ta kene ka bangin rep yo shiteke mushroom la ne utip tung mai ong mangi hari menta kasngi padang layo ban ya kendu ang ne Delhi harengkat ke don lang Colonel Ranjit nang ta harengkat lang bat ba alfan ya kendu lang ni hapo Delhi menta nang menta ban kren khamtam hagwedi ban ine ke jingrep utip tung tenang ling jungi ngidon ne Delhi nam ta kiwi pi kam nam ta ki isu juki norap te ri menta ngi layo ban ya kendu biang te nak ling juki kelawan jungo hasilong te ke jing pun krek kalaya chat te nang ne sikmat ngakwa ban kentu ki norap bikin long ready no an ngi haban ya barok khot ki di ban wan lang hapo ka cooperative society namangin ai shwa ya ki norap ki ban don bat ka society ke jungi te kini ban ya sedang no nak ling jungi ro ngi ladap order ka machine nak mentaban shna ya uni sponge la ne bolong kum bolong kum ne block nak mentaban shna ya uni titung te shen ngin sasam skino rep tang baswa kata ngakwa babaro kini ya wan lang hapo ka cooperative society kini ban long ki member kini ban ya kit share lang tang baki kit sung try kini ka kam te shen ngin sa sedang te ngilaya kren ro hang ne rengkat baki bangin sa le jingo ro sa Japan le se hobenai September bat ngangik skam kan ro kan urlong tingi ai kublai ro yo chief minister ai kublai re yo agriculture minister kiba la yarap lang na mentawan penya syak prang ye kene kakam berkumju ro ye commissioner bo KN Kumaro tingi ngik skam kene kakam kan ya syakmat te ni kermen bakani ka shitek muksum kan wanra ye ka ban yarap ban pen kenti we ka yo ka kot ban double ki income jong kinong rap ko kejelahi bro ka we
we are very happy to get opportunity to work with you, and that profit should be almost anticipated or promised. Okay, after this project, everybody must be happy. So we are confident for that, and do your best, please. Make a great effort for achievement of this job, of this task. See you soon.